Welcome to the Dallas-Fort Worth real estate market update. This is through the end of July 2025. We are at the beginning of August, and every month I'm going to release one of these market updates. My name is Pollard. I'm a real estate broker in the Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex. So if you're looking at buying or selling a home here, feel free to fill out the appropriate questionnaire in the link below. I'd be so happy to help. All we have to do is schedule a Zoom consultation. All right, let's get started. Make this as short as possible, but there has been some transition in the market, so I do want to cover that as well. First off, the close price median, we are still trending sideways with a 415 median close price, which is again staying the same. That's not far off, right? Same exact median close price as last year, 2024. We're looking at 5,939 homes closed through in the month of July. So that's down a little bit, which we did feel that in the real estate market. Not only that, but I anticipate how we felt the month of July showing slowed down so significantly. I feel like August, and maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like August, we're gonna see the impact of the showings that declined in the month of July. Now listen, it does that every year, not the crazy last few years, but a normal real estate market, it does slow down for showings in the month of July, but don't let that alarm you. Typically, it starts getting busier as we approach the end of the year, the last quarter of the year. All right, so the average days on market is 69, about the same as last month. I do feel like we're gonna see an uptick for next month, and then the median days on market is 36. With 5 months of inventory. Again, we are shifting from that seller's market into a buyer's market. If you are a buyer looking at buying in Dallas-Fort Worth, Dallas-Fort Worth is still one of the fastest growing metroplexes in the nation. And so right now is a very good time to sneak in, get a lower price, especially as we see interest rates slowly declining, right? We're hoping they're declining. Come on, September. But all that being said, right now is a very good opportunity if you're a buyer. If you are a seller and you want to sell your home, it is slow in July and August, but I do anticipate the end of the year getting to be better for selling. Just this last month, inventory has surged. We're talking 50 to 50% year over year on how many homes are on the market. And we're also seeing a record number of canceled listings. Like the sellers don't even want to wait till the listing expires. They just cancel them. So again, if you're a buyer, it's a really good time to buy. If you're a seller, you just have to list your home right. You want to price it right. Price is your number one factor, staging, photos, all the marketing, of course, but we're not in 2021, y'all. You can't overprice your home. So that would be the advice if you are going to list your home. Okay, let's keep moving on. Closed price by square foot, $215 a square foot. That's what homes are selling for. That's a little bit down from last year, but still hovering around, trending sideways there. And closed price to list price is 98.7%. I would anticipate the month of August next month that's going to show lower. Again, I could be wrong, but we just felt such a shift in July on the amount of contracts that we've gotten. Expired listings did go up at 8,533. That's up year over year, significantly up year over year, as well as from last month. I hope this is helpful. If you are looking to buy or sell a home in the Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex, I would be so happy to help. I'm Pollard, real estate broker. All you have to do is fill out the questionnaire in the link below and connect by Zoom. It's a free consultation, and I look forward to helping you.